guys, the first ever on-ride we do here on the Ride to Happiness by Tomorrowland at Plopsaland De Panne.
Dear friends, you have been guided through the energetic maze to this place. You are now but a few steps away from happiness. In a moment, you will experience how nature embraces your inner being. Treasure that moment when it arrives. Live today. Love tomorrow. Unite forever.
Here we go, this time with the horizon lock. In the next one we're not gonna have that, is my plan. And now listen to the on-ride. Okay, we are approaching the first launch. Det är han som jobbar här, som åker där. Ja. Det var han, va? Ja! Woohoo! Here we go! Ah! Wow! Oh, I missed this so much! Wow! I really hope you can hear the music. Second launch! Oh, this is fantastic! Wow! Oh, this is such a good roller coaster. Oh, I think that the guy behind us, over there, is very close to puking. Oh. Oh, the music. Huh.
Oh my god, this ride is so good.
Oh, this is so nice. Okay guys, that was a front row with horizon lock on the Ride to Happiness. We are now going to do it again. We're going to do it in the back row, also with horizon lock. Then we have to do it again without horizon lock in the back and the front.